This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nicole Volantini. Welcome to this beautiful renovated 2-bedroom pool home with 1,588 square feet of stylish living space, right in the heart of Spring Hill. This home offers a bright open floor plan with modern finishes throughout, perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. Step into the updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances. The spacious living and dining area flow seamlessly. The primary suite offers a private retreat with an ensuite bathroom, and access to the lanai, while the second bedroom is ideal for guests or a home office. Enjoy Florida living at its best in your private backyard. Oasis screened-in lanai overlooks the sparkling pool, perfect for year-round enjoyment. Close to shopping, dining and the famous Weeki Wachee Spring Park. For more information